In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Smartsheet from a template. Smartsheet is a dynamic workspace where collaboration and organization meet. You might find it particularly useful for tracking projects, managing tasks, or planning events. Let's dive into the process step by step to get you set up in no time. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Smartsheet account. If you're not already familiar with it, Smartsheet offers a user-friendly interface, and logging in is the initial gateway to accessing its wide range of tools and templates. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard. Here you'll spot various options, including the Create button, which should be on the left panel. Give this button a click. You'll notice it opens up a few options, but what we're interested in now is the View All Templates option. Click on this and you'll unlock an entire gallery of templates, tailored to various needs. Now comes the fun part, selecting a template. Whether you're looking to track a project, compile a task list, or plan an unforgettable event, Smartsheet has a template ready for you. Explore the options, and once you find the template that best fits your needs, click on it. This will prompt you to click Create from Template. You'll then enter a more detailed setup phase. Next, you have the option to invite people and groups to collaborate with you. If you're working with a team, this is an excellent chance to involve them right from the get-go. You can easily share access with colleagues or friends depending on your sheet's purpose. Simply add their email addresses and they'll get invited to collaborate with you on the sheet you've created. After this step, it's time to name your sheet. Choosing a meaningful name is important. Not only will it make locating the sheet easier in the future, but it also helps to quickly convey its purpose to anyone with whom you share it. So, think about what this sheet will primarily be used for and name accordingly. Once your sheet has a proper title, you can begin to customize it as needed. This is your opportunity to tweak the template settings to best fit your specific requirements. Don't hesitate to explore and adjust. Update columns, set due dates, or personalize it to your heart's content. The ability to modify and tailor your Smartsheet allows it to truly work for you and your team. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new Smartsheet from a template and are now ready to streamline your workflow efficiently. Remember, the best way to get the most out of Smartsheet is through practice and exploration. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy organizing,